Let's set the scene for you here. This is a carpeted area. It's the back seat, and you can see all of this stubborn dog hair that does not want to come out of the carpet. That's a dog hair stone or a pet hair stone, and it really gets into the fibers of the carpet and helps work out a lot of that pet hair. I didn't go to this method first. I tried vacuuming. That didn't work. So now I'm kind of sweeping the dog hair into the corner there. I've got that vacuum in the top left corner that's going to sort of suck up some of that dog hair. Once I've kind of swept it up into that nice little line, we're going to continue to grab more of this dog hair. Obviously, you know, dog hair is visually unappealing to a lot of people, so the fact that we can take care of this for them is something that we're proud of. But no dog hair is created equal. Okay, the shadows are moving here a little bit. Now I'm taking the Tornador, which is what you hear. It's compressed air. It shoots air in a kind of tornado-like pattern into the carpet fibers. It really helps get things out of the carpet. So mostly I've loosened up a lot of this dog hair, and what we've done now is with the Tornador, we're blowing the dog hair out of the carpet. It's going up into the vacuum, and some variation of this is what I'll usually try if I'm dealing with dog hair that doesn't want to come out easily. So check out all the progress we've made. What is this? 1 minute and 30 seconds?